Is it time to buy or sell VOO ETF? In this video, we will explore VOO in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024, and now we're here to offer you an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any critical updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 11th of September, 2024, our system has ranked VOO as a strong buy candidate, giving it a score of 5.34. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 3.58%. This equates to an average return of 0.3% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The ETF is positioned within the upper section of a slight upward trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders, as a reaction back towards the lower segment of the trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $531.25 will signify a stronger upward movement. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential change of approximately 2.91% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 5.60% to positive 3.61%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of 31.40% over the next 12 months, with a potential return between 23.15% and 36.80%. This corresponds to a price range of $649.87 to $721.87 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for VOO includes the headline, VOO ETF upgraded to strong buy candidate. The VOO ETF price gained just under 0.4% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 26th of September, 2024. This marked an increase from $525.61 to $527.70. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 0.8%, with a low of $525.53 and a high of $529.91. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 2.7% over the past 2 weeks. There was an increase in trading volume alongside the price rise, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 254,000 more shares were traded than the day before, with a total of 4 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $1.93 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $529.91, while the lowest price was $375.95. Currently, the price is 0.42%, or $2.21, below the 52-week high of $529.91, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent discussions surrounding the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, or VOO, highlight its robust position in the investment landscape as we head into the final quarter of 2024. Notably, the ETF has caught the attention of prominent investors, including Warren Buffett, who advises that regular investors consider ETFs for broad market exposure. This endorsement could enhance investor confidence in VOO, especially given the ETF's strong alignment with the performance of the S&P 500, which recently reached an all-time high. As the Federal Reserve initiates a rate-cutting cycle, the implications for VOO can be significant. Historical performance indicates that rate cuts often stimulate market growth, potentially benefiting ETFs like VOO that track large-cap stocks. In the short term, increased investor optimism may drive demand, propelling prices higher. Additionally, with the political landscape shifting and uncertainty surrounding upcoming elections, defensive strategies favoring established investments like VOO are likely to gain traction. The ETF's steady performance, combined with its historical returns, 2,000% over 3 decades, positions it as a compelling option for long-term investors seeking stability amidst market fluctuations. This could lead to a sustained bullish sentiment, impacting its stock price favorably in both the short and the long term. The following signals have been identified for VOO. The chart today predominantly shows positive signals. The VOO exchange-traded fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a favorable forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal from the relationship between these averages, where the short-term average is above the long-term average. During downward corrections, there will be support from the levels at $524.28 and $511.34. A breakdown below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, July 16, 2024, and so far it has risen 1.66%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical signal. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal from 52 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 13 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal from 36 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 210 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for VOO. On the downside, the exchange-traded fund finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $489.91 and $479.94. There is a natural risk involved when an exchange-traded fund is testing a support level, as a break below this level could lead to a decline to the next support level. In this instance, VOO finds support just below today's level at $489.91. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $479.94 and $475.20. Generally, the exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk is considered very low for this stock. Over the last day, the exchange-traded fund moved $4.38 between its high and low, or 0.83%. For the past week, the exchange-traded fund has experienced an average daily volatility of 0.621%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for VOO. There's no significant resistance from accumulated volume above, which means the stock could move upward swiftly under the right conditions. In this scenario, you might consider entering a position and using volume to determine when to exit. On the downside, VOO encounters its first support level at $489.91. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $510.92, reflecting a decrease of 3.18%. This exchange-traded fund experiences low daily fluctuations, contributing to a reduced risk profile. However, the 14-day relative strength index is at 91, which significantly raises the risk level. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 102 days ago. Is VOO ETF a good buy? VOO presents several positive indicators and is currently experiencing a modest upward trend. As the saying goes, let the trend be your friend. Therefore, we consider it a favorable choice at these levels, anticipating additional gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has upgraded this ETF status from a buy to a strong buy candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 27th of September, we expect VOO to open slightly higher and begin trading at $527.71. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.